Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to your full guide on making a delicious steak with mushroom sauce. We'll begin by selecting a quality steak, ideally 1.5 inches thick, and patting it thoroughly dry. This crucial step ensures a beautiful, crispy crust. Next, season your steak generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then, heat a heavy-bottomed pan, such as cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking hot, preparing for the perfect sear. Now let's cook that steak to perfection. Sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes until a rich, deep brown crust develops. Then, add 1 tablespoon of butter, a few sprigs of fresh thyme, and some crushed garlic cloves to the pan. Continuously baste the steak with the aromatic melted butter for 1 to 2 minutes. For precise doneness, use a meat thermometer. Aim for 130 degrees Fahrenheit for a medium-rare finish. While your steak rests, let's create an incredible mushroom sauce using the pan's flavorful drippings. Sauté 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms until they are deeply browned and have released all their moisture. Next, deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup of dry red wine or beef broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream and simmer until the sauce slightly thickens to a luscious consistency. The final steps are crucial for a perfect meal. Remove your steak from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring maximum tenderness and flavor. Stir 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley into your mushroom sauce for a vibrant finish. Finally, slice your beautifully cooked steak against the grain and generously spoon the warm, rich mushroom sauce over each piece. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.